China. I pretty much took out $100,000 from this super sketchy Chinese bank and put it all into Solana and its ecosystem. And I got in at, dude, $3 and I cashed out at 200.
Welcome to episode 23 of traders selling their ass on Instagram as if it's OnlyFans. Today's special guest has been on plenty of other episodes, Mr. TJR. Now you heard him, he said he took a $100,000 loan from a sketchy Chinese bank. Does that even sound right? He also said he door dashed when he was broke. When was that? They all use a sob story to sell you their course. Now let's break that down for you. His dad makes $500,000 a year being the president of Pinewood School in Silicon Valley. Before you say that his dad got that job later in life and became rich later in life, he got that job in 2002 when TJR was born. Guess who owns the school? His grandparents. The grandparents founded the school in 1959. So this is literally generational wealth just being passed through the family. Now, also, his dad lives in a $5.2 million house in California, which is almost 1 acre. I'll put it here on the screen. I won't show the address because it looks like he still lives there. Now, let's get to the real sauce because I've already talked about all the scams and pumps and dubs he has, had. These are all previous episode things. But let's talk about what just got leaked. His best friend just leaked that he borrowed $1,600 from him, then ghosted him for 5 months to learn trading and to try funded accounts, and then literally blew it, and then ended up coming back to his best friend 5 months later to pay him back. So let's give him that he actually paid his best friend back. But it took him 5 months that he ghosted his best friend, and then he ended up paying him $1,600. In those messages, you can see that he literally tells his best friend how he's going to scam you guys using TradingView's projection tool to make it look like he knows how to trade. Then there's a leaked audio that just got leaked from his best friend, where he literally calls you guys stupid and saying how you use ChatGPT to make a course for him. Take a look at this. This is how he made 8 figures in courses.
I believe I sold this many courses, and I literally used ChatGPT for all the information in the course. These guys are stupid.
So guys, I'm going home now with FBK's new car. We just bought a new car. It was cheap, man, 1 million. We bought this wild track. Show them this wild track right here. We bought it. You see this one? You see it? Bring the camera to me. We bought this wild track 1 million using KGP markets. Sign up on the KGP markets is the AI of brokers. 5-minute withdrawals are in tape. So this guy is going home right now. And I know you think I'm lying, ne? Okay, sharp, stop the video. They think I'm lying.